Alright, we got our spicy sausage, we got our piece of crust. We have all
the things. And today, what are we doing today, babe?
I wish the crust was more rounded.
What are we doing? We're making a pizza. We made some sausage. Say hello to the vlog. You're being so standoffish. Okay, I made some sausage. We got our dough pre-baked. Now what, babe? Now what do we do?
Oh my god, dude, there's a roach. Are you serious, dude?
At least it's dead. It's not good.
We really don't have roaches in our house at all.
Of course that would happen. Can you get it? That's just huge. That's mama.
This thing is probably still alive.
If it moves, I'm gonna fucking freak the fuck out, so.
Oh, it's slippery slope right there, dude.
With me.
That is
don't be like
slippery
that.
slope, dude.
This is like the ultimate dad joke.
I don't like that. That's not a funny joke.
Okay, well, he's taking care of that. I can't believe that just happened.
The whole line's ruined.
That makes me want to die. Okay.
I need to wash my hands.
Yeah, you do. Okay, I figured we'd just like sprinkle the sausage.
So different now.
Okay, so sauce first. We always forget to do the sauce first, and then you're like, what the fuck? Okay,
When
so
have we done that? I think we have done that before.
we made this pizza in Australia.
I know. Shout out Lindsay and Colin.
Shout out Lindsay and Colin. We had a pizza bake-off, and we won. So, sorry, Lindsay and Colin.
They beat our ass
you're
in
watching
drinking
this,
games
you
the
better be
entire
watching.
week left, so.
This is true. Okay.
Do we heat this up first?
No. Wait, we didn't put the olive oil.
Wow.
It's okay. We just, like,
Things are not going according to plan.
I'm just gonna sprinkle a little
Step
bit of
one.
garlic, and then you can proceed with the sauce. They can't even see what we're doing. Much better. Okay. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some garlic. And then you're gonna put the rest of the sauce. And you're just gonna mix it all in with garlic.
Yeah. You're not gonna smooth the garlic out, you're just gonna fling it
Well, we're
around
gonna smooth like the sauce out. So it'll all like.
That's true.
Just do the whole jar.
So-
Don't hold back. Sunday. Greg would be so proud.
Quick and easy Australian pizza right here, baby. If you go there, watch out for the fall bears.
The drop bears, they're vicious, boy. There's literally drop bears in Australia that drop down onto your head and kill you.
It's true.
Tell your friends. Okay. So we're gonna put mozzarella all over the pizza.
Done. Tomatoes.
We got the sun-dried tomatoes.
Spinach.
Spinach. Okay, now that every single tiny inch is covered with cheese.
Okay, so we got the mozzarella, the sauce. Now we gotta put the ricotta.
There you go.
Just like super childproof.
Globs and ricotta.
Glob them on there, huh?
It's a big glob.
Don't give me little pussy globs.
That's a big ass glob. Right there.
I feel like we should have a video of like what each step looked like. You know?
Well, Bogey thinks we should be capturing it step by step, so.
Here's a very late step.
You do your dough, some olive oil, some garlic. You put your sauce, you mix it all in. You put your mozzarella, your basil, and your ricotta. Don't worry, I'll put it in the description.
Here's a piece of pie.
It's a pizza pot. So we we've got our cheeses. And now we need to put our sun-dried tomatoes.
What?
How was fishing? Was it like super exhilarating? Did it just light your soul on fire?
Yeah, huge boner the whole time.
Love that. Speed it up, then just go slower. The beat got and the beat got slower.
One of this
Slow
one.
down and go slow. All on the beat like the good. Y'all say y'all on the mouth like the good. Let's rinse the spinach.
Iris.
And I'm just gonna break it up and throw it all over the pizza. That's hella protein right there.
I'm so hungry, dude.
I'm so hungry. Bro,
Good luck reading that.
Okay, we got the spinach.
Might have said that wrong.
We got the sun-dried tomatoes, and then
Seems
we
like
put a
an
bunch of
excessive
spinach.
amount of spinach.
Really? I think we're good.
And when are we gonna put?
Babe, come on.
It's a pizza, not a salad.
You sprinkle the sausage.
And put your hands up. Still might be too much spinach, dude.
Babe, just leave it.
We'll let it. Oh, are you gonna cut out that attitude in the vlog, dude?
Probably.
Are we using all this? Or?
Maybe sausage should have been before the spinach. Should have been like in the sauce, honestly. Yeah, we fucked it up, dude. I'm out. I'm not gonna eat this shit pizza.
But I mean, you always put the toppings on top, so it's like it's where it's supposed to fucking go, dude. I don't know what to tell the people.
And then salt and pepper. Okay, people? Salt and pepper. And you're good to go. Throw it in the oven for 10 more minutes. Depending on whatever dough you have. This is going really well.
Give him a pre-oven look. Would you give him a pre-oven look, dude? Yep.
Alright, pre-oven look. We're going in.
Right. Enough dancing.
Okay. We'll be back in 6 to 10 minutes. What? We're not logged into Hulu? Casey, Cummings, if you're watching this. I'm just saying, wow, did you just log me out of Hulu? I sent her a fire playlist today. Like, she owes me.
I can't do it like the guys at the fucking salsa bar that one time. Should I brand you?
Excuse me? Excuse me, this dog is for sale. I'll take anything.
Free. Did you put a timer on for the two, or are you just counting them fucking?
I'm not even counting, I'm just like, it's ready when it's ready. When I feel it in my nips. Casey 7. Moment of truth for all of the world to see. No?
Stop.
She said, I would not do that. I was like, girl.
I think it's ready, dude. What are your nips doing?
Perfecto. Let's get a visual. It smells so good, and the ugliest meals are the ones that taste.
But I have a feeling it's gonna taste really. Goodbye.
I look so much better in your camera. Like,
I need some more wine.
Here's the quarantine. Mamma mia.